Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to sell Amazon products on your Shopify store but don't know where to start, this video is just for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to import Amazon products into Shopify easy, fast, and beginner friendly way. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have these three things. Number one, a Shopify store. Number two, an Amazon account. And number three, a product importing app. There are many apps available in the market, but I will show you the most common and simple one. Just a quick warning, you cannot officially dropship directly from Amazon under their current existing settings. Most people use different affiliate stores, product researches, research tools, or manual order fulfillment. So that's why we need to create all of these listings using an app from the Shopify store. Just log into your Shopify account, go to the apps, and download one-click product. This will make sure that it copies all the information of your products from Amazon to your Shopify store. Simply just click on the product that you want to import, copy the URL, and paste it into the text box here. Once it's done, just click the Find Product and click the Import button. All the properties related to that product will be imported to your Shopify. You have to do it one by one, but once it's done, all of the products will be listed in your Shopify products section. If you're fulfilling manually, make sure you can place the Amazon order smoothly. And that is it. That's how you import Amazon products into Shopify step by step. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a video on automation or scaling this setup. Until then, see you in the next one.